Hi there, I'm Martin Tyler. With me today, Alan Smith. Welcome to today's game. Our match today, Barcelona against Deportiva Alcorcón. This is the chance, got to be. He's had to go full stretch. And he's headed that down well, kept the ball for his team. Made a teammate collect it. Oh, and Barcelona have got a chance here. Sergio Busquets. Barcelona should be routine winners in this game. Done very well. Great opportunity. Possibility. What a chance! Oh, poor chap, it's an own goal. Well, no one could have anticipated that. The own goal out of nothing. Into the face of the opposition. Robert Lewandowski. Well, he might go for goal here. Here's the opportunity. Oh, great hands. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. Great play by the keeper, but still a chance. And he goes for goal. Oh, he's hit it very true, but just off target. Jordi Alba, return pass. Robert Lewandowski. He's got to score! Oh, he's off target. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. That's good support play from his teammates. Keeps it going. Great chance. Brilliant opening. Well, then he went, just diverted it away. That's a turnover of possession here. now, can he score? Well, that's a clever little clip into a teammate. What a chance here. Oh! And they got the block in. It's got to be a goal, surely. And Barcelona have got a penalty. Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal. Well, that has made it 2-0. Could see what he was trying to do, just stretch the opposition by getting the ball out wide, but it's gone out for a throw. Could be a goal. Got to be. He's had a crack.
Well, he's missed it, hasn't he? What a good chance that was for him.
Jordi Alba. Piqué. Very good passing from this team. Sergio Busquets. Piqué. Robert Lewandowski. He's in the clear. In with a chance. What a save. Splendid goal here. Barcelona really on top form in the first half. And he read their minds, brilliant defending in the circumstances. This referee's got a good perception of when and when not to play the advantage. Opportunity here, bounce back off the post, great stop. Here's the opportunity, and he's going to shoot. Not too many excuses for that, because a good effort until it came to the final shot, and then, I hate to use the word, but that was hopeless.
Well, we've more or less all turned away, and I think the referee did half, just expecting to be pointing to the centre circle. Robert
Lewandowski. This is the chance, and here's a shot now, and that's the goalkeeper's ball. He's kept it, it's not getting away from him. And that's the referee signalling for half-time, blowing his whistle, and it's 3-0 here at half-time. I think as we reflect on the first half, that the manager has said to his players, look, it could be a banana skin here, make sure you don't slip on it.
Well, that's quite right, and top marks there for their...
Well, away we go for the second half, hoping it'll be a bit more even, to be honest. Sergio Busquets with the interception. Surely he's going to score here. He takes the shot and he knocks in the goal. And it's 3-1. The goals keep on coming. That's cut out. PK. It's an exhibition here with such great passing. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. And the defender easily swept aside. Sergio Busquets. And here's the shot. And he's tried his luck, but over the crossbar by a lot. And this is now time for the change, or the changes, I should say. There are two players coming on. Well read by the defender to intercept. And it's hit the player and changed the mind of the assistant there. Taken quickly. Robert Lewandowski. Now they're passing the ball well. Tries his luck. Well, that'll be the keeper's ball. PK. Puts out a foot to good effect. He's in. Oh! Well, how has he done that? It was a great move, and, well, a great margin he missed by.
Well, he's going to get some stick off his teammates for that. I mean, at the moment, they're far from happy.
Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. That goal seems to have given him an extra yard of pace, an extra injection of confidence.
Yeah, his movement, the defenders just can't handle it at the moment.
It could be in a goal. Oh! Well, that was an effort that smacked of desperation, really. They've got to do better. PK. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. Jordi Alba. Here he is with a chance, and he goes for goal. PK. Sergio Busquets. Got to be. It's a goal! Well, no shortage of goals today. 4-1. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. It's his speciality, isn't it? The back heel like that comes off more often than not. In at goal. He's gone for goal. And that defending team really defending for all they're worth. Well, it's thrown to the opposition. he score? Into the feint. Well, he has a go.
It's a fantastic piece of football, this. Oh, and he's ruined it all at the end.
Oh, the referee was about to point to the centre circle. He thought he'd scored. Maybe the player did as well.
Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. Everybody good with the ball, with the passing, and also off the ball, wanting to receive it. That's the key to playing like this.
Yeah, I think so. The man in possession has not just got one option, he's got two or three out there.
Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. And the tackler has won it very cleanly. 4 more minutes. Well, they got in front early, and they've pushed on for what's going to be a very clear victory. Sergio Busquets. That's a clever part of football. This is the chance. And the shot's on. That's a brilliant goal. This is moving towards a big win, 5-1. Nice touch. And that's the win for Barcelona. Well, one team's coming off looking pretty fresh, the other team exhausted. They've been chasing the game, haven't they, the whole time?
Yeah, they have, and a game they haven't enjoyed, and they'll just want to hear the final whistle.